Koi fish, the national fish of Japan, are the renowned symbols in the Chinese and Japanese culture. Hello art lovers, welcome to iArtStudio. This is ishweryabharath. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for easy painting videos. Watch this video till the end to learn how to paint this koi fish swimming in a pond using acrylics. Check the description box below the video for the list of materials. Okay, now let's begin the sketch. Take a HB pencil and draw the outline of the bamboo by the pond side. Here and there add some leaves to give a realistic look. Once the bamboo is done, move on to sketch the koi fish. Just the outline is enough at this stage, as we would work the details using paint. You can take a screenshot of this and have this as your reference image. I have taken a 1/2 inch flat brush and applying a combination of two colors, black and blue, but the blue is not seen evidently. The base coat should always be dark enough for us to work on the details. Cover the sides as well to have a neat look. Make sure you have some paper at the back of your canvas to prevent your easel from paint stains. Cover the background fully with these colors and let it dry and go for the second and third coats. Once you are satisfied with this step, move on to paint the koi fish. I have taken a 1/4 inch flat brush and mixed white, little blue and little black for the base. Blend this grayish mixture with white for the bottom body color. Now I have taken a blue and green mix to paint the tail portion. I switched to a small round brush to blend the colors. Once the tail is done, move on to the head portion. I have taken a small round brush and mixed orange and brown for the base. Blend it with some white for the middle, and the corners should be dark. There is a pattern of colors for the body, so carefully apply orange in limited areas as it looks real with an equal space for white. I am highlighting the corners with dark shade to add an effect. As the next step, I have taken white using a small round brush and adding effects on the scales of the fish. Now the tail can be highlighted. Blend with a darker tone if needed. Let's paint the fins now using the grey mixture. The fins at the back should be subtle because they will be seen only partially. I'm adding yellow color with round brush to give a bright effect. I'm painting the mouth portion with white using a small round brush and take time to paint the eyes. I have used black here and there as a highlight. Make changes wherever needed and finish it fully. Now we are moving on to the next element in the foreground, which is bamboo. Using a 1/4" flat brush, I begin to paint the base of the bamboo. Mixing some black with the green for the sides to show the light and shadow effect. Blend this well and follow the same process for the other bamboo as well. Use the same color for the leaves. I have used a small round brush for this application. Go for 2 or more coats to cover the canvas completely. Now the base is dry, we shall add some highlights to the bamboo. I am using a small round brush taking white to add effects. Using a 1/4" flat brush, I am blending black and sap green for the shadow side. Now let's move on to the third element of this painting, which is pond. Taking a small round brush, I am working on the stones that would be in the bottom. There shouldn't be a definite shape for this, as we would see this from the top of the pond. Go for some rough stones here and there. Now I am adding the water effect using a round brush and blue color. Once it is dry, I have switched to a round brush and taking white color to create the water effect that is created when the koi fish swims. Add bubbles and water effects wherever needed. Add all the details so that it should look like you are peeping into a koi fish pond. Finally sign your painting, and here is the finished piece of a koi fish swimming in a pond. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to iArt Studio for more videos. Catch you all with a fantastic video like this soon. See ya!